Hello students, so today we will be learning about the arithmetic progression. What do we mean by the arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. For example, we can take 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. In this, if we check out in this, each term is obtained by adding 5 to the preceding term except the first term. Now comes the general formula for the arithmetic progression. The general formula for the arithmetic progression is given by, if we are having an arithmetic series a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and so on, then the nth term is given by the formula a equals a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term and d is a common difference. So we can say the nth term of a AP series can be given by an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, to find the nth term of an AP, let us consider an AP whose first term is a and the common difference is d. Then the first term will be a1 will be equal to a plus 0d. Remember, we are using the formula an nth term. So the first term will be 0d because the difference is 0. So the first term comes out to be a. Okay. Now if we check about the second term, so it will be a plus 1d. Okay. The third term will be a plus 2d, and the fourth term will be a plus 3d, and so on. To check the given series, to check that a given term is in AP or not. Suppose that we are having 2, 6, 10, 14 and so on. We have to check it, is this the series is a AP series or not. So we know that the first term is a equals to 2, and to find the common difference, take the next term, second term minus the first term, that is equals to 4. Second term we are having 6 and the first term is a 2. So we will get a common difference as 4. Now if we check again the third term minus the second term, we are again getting the common difference as a 4. Again we can check it, the fourth term minus the third term, again we are getting a common difference of 4. Since we are getting a common difference, same common difference each time, so we can say the given series is a AP series. Now, suppose that we are to find which term of which of the following is a AP series. Let's try it. If we check it, here A is the first term. What the common difference we are having here? If we check, the common difference is of 2. The common difference is of 2 here. We check it, the common difference is of 6. So since we are not getting the same common difference, so we can say this is not an AP series. Okay, now check it. Let's try another one. Suppose we are given a series as A, 2A, 3A, 4A and so on. If we check the common difference, we are getting a common difference, second term minus the first term is of A. Again, if we check the common difference, the second term minus the third term minus the second term, again we are getting a common difference of A. Again, if we check it, 4A minus 3A, we will get a common difference of A. So we can say this is an AP series. Okay, now let's check it for the, suppose that we are given the series as minus 6, minus 2, 2, 6 and so on. Let us check it, is this a given series a AP or not. If we check it here, minus 2 minus minus 6. So you will be getting minus 2 plus 6, that is of 4. Again, 2 minus minus 2. Third term minus the second term, you will get a common difference of 4. Again 6 minus 2 is a 4. Since we are getting the same common difference, we can say this is an AP series. Now, suppose that you are given a series as 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and 4 square is 16. Okay, now we check the common difference. Here you will get the common difference of 3. Here we are getting the common difference of 5. And since we are not getting the same common difference, so we can say that this series is not an AP series. Okay, only the next. Now, to find the value of k in which the given series is given, we have to find what the value of k. Suppose that we are given 3 numbers a, k minus 1 and 12 are in AP. It is given that these 3 numbers are in AP and we have to find the value of k. The best way to find the value of k, find a common difference. What is the common difference between second term minus the first term and the third term minus the second term? If we get the common difference same, because it is, we are given that this series is a AP series, it means that it will be having a common difference will be the same. So second term minus first term, that is k minus 1 minus 4 equals 12 minus k minus 1. And if we simplify this, we will get k minus 5 equals 12 minus k plus 1. Again, collect the k terms to one side of the equal to, you will get 2k equals to 18 and k will be equals to 9. Okay. Now we have to find the 10th term of the series. We are given the AP series as 12, 18, 24, 30. So A will be, the first term will be A, that is 12. We are given, we can find the common difference. The common difference comes out to be 6. Now use the formula of nth term. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Putting, since we have to find the 10th term, so just plug in n equals to 10. We will get 12 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 times 6. So 12 plus 54, that is, so if we can say, if you continue this series, the common difference of 6, we will get the 10th term as 66. Now, the next question, find the number of terms of AP. We are given the first term as 100, 105, 110, 115, and we are given the last term also as 500. We have to find how many terms are there in the series. So, the first term is 100 and the last term, that is nth term, Tn is 500. We know the common difference, we can check the common difference, that is second term minus the first term, that will come out to be a 5. So use again the formula of Tn, Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, plug in all the values, An is 500, A is, the first term is 100, n we have to find out, and D is the 5. And if we solve this one, so you are getting n minus 1 equals 400, or you can say n minus 1 equals 500 divided by 4, 400 divided by 5. So that will be, that comes out to be 80, and we have to find the value of n, so it will be 80 plus 1 will be, so we can say in the series, given series, starting with 100, 105, 110 up to 500, there will be 81 terms. Move to the next one, find all the 3-digit numbers divisible by 8. So, our first 3-digit number which is divisible by 8 is 104. Okay, so we are having the first number as 104, the next number will be 112, 120 and so on. Now check out about the last number. The last number, 3-digit number, which is divisible by 8 is 992. Now we have to find the number of terms. Okay, now comes to find the sum of an arithmetic series. Sum of an arithmetic series is given by the two formulas. The first, if we know the number of terms and the common difference, we can find the sum by using the formula as Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term, N is the number of terms, and D is the common difference. And sometimes if we know the last term, we can use the formula as Sn equals to n by 2 into A plus the last term, A plus L. Let's try to have questions on this. Yeah, let us find the sum of 30 terms of an AP. We are given the first term as 12, 20, 28 and 30. We are given the AP series as 12, 20, 28 and 36 and so on. We have to find the sum of first 30 terms. So A is equals to 12, D we can find out, comes out to be 8. Now use the formula Sn equals to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. If we plug in the values, n is 30, A is 12, so we will get 2 times 12 plus n is 30 minus 1 and the common difference is 8. If we simplify this, we will get 15 times 24 plus 29 times 8. And if we calculate this, in the last we can get the sum as 3690. Okay, find the sum of an AP series. You are given the AP series as 2, 4, 6, 8 and the last sum is 200. We have to find the sum of AP series. We know the first term is 2, common difference is second term minus the first term, that is again a 2. So since we know the last term, so we have to firstly find how many number of terms will be there. To find the sum, firstly we should know how many number of terms are there in a given series. So to find the number of terms, we use the formula Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Plug in the values, 200 equals to 2 plus n minus 1 into 2. And if we simplify, we will be getting 2 times n minus 1 equals 198. Okay, and here n minus 1 will be 198 divided by 2 and n comes out to be 100. Now we know the number of terms in a series are 100. We use the last the formula n by 2 into A plus an, the second formula, because we know the last sum also. The last sum, the first sum was, if we see the series, we are having the last sum as 200 and the first sum as 2. So if we apply the formula, as of 100 terms equals n by 2 into A plus L, where L is the last one. We know the first one as 2 and the last one as 400. Okay, 200 plus 2 is 200. 2 times 100 divided by 2 is 50. And if we solve this one, you get 10100. Okay, that's all for today. Have a very good day. Bye for now.